The reality is there's no such thing as time management. It's more like priority management. And more specifically, I think the reason we have an issue with the time management is because we have a problem with procrastination, right? And the reason we have a problem with procrastination is because the fact that there are tasks and activities that we know we have to do, but we don't do them because for some reason we don't like them or we get bored about them, right? And it's all about those priorities. Like we talked about in the previous session, like you know what you have to do to move your business forward. We all know that. In brokerage business, it's all about recruiting, it's all about developing, it's all about creating culture for these agents to flourish. As a top producing agent, it's all about prospecting, following up, making sure the leads are coming in, you're converting those leads, right? Those are the key things that you got to look at. So time blocking is always going to be an issue. Time management is always going to be there, right? The best way to really combat that is to make sure you focus on the priorities. As long as you're focusing on priorities, everything else you can let go or can be done the next day or the next week or even the next year.